how to turn on typing indicator on Instagram. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how you may follow up the step, open up Instagram first. And then once you open up Instagram, you should be finding your chats, your interface, this. So all you gotta do is head over to the chats at the top right. And after you head over there, go over to a chat. Once you head over to a chat like this, at the top of your screen, you should be finding username. Go ahead and tap on that person's username. Once you go ahead and do that, here you should be finding a menu with the option called privacy and safety. Go ahead and tap on that option. And after going on there, you'll be finding who can see your activity option with a typing indicator option. So if this option is turned off, all you gotta do is simply tap on it and turn it on like this. And when you turn it on, others can see when you are typing. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to turn on typing indicator on your Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And we will see you on the next one.